No, that doesn't make any sense. How could she say that she's that old? No, that doesn't make any sense. How could she say that she's that old? Like, oh my god. Anyway, tell me enough about her. What was she wearing? What was she wearing?
Excuse me, sir.
No.
Excuse me.
Oh, I can't believe that, bitch.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Hold on a second. This lady is giving me a hard time. 1 second.
I'm looking for that thick, plastic, translucent sheeting. You know, the kind they hang in walk-in refrigerator doors.
Yeah, we don't have that here, honey. Try Home Depot instead. Yeah, was he there?
I already tried there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They said that this is the most well-stocked store in the... I can't believe you don't have that stuff. I don't even know what it's called.
I'm sorry.
You're supposed to have everything.
Well, we don't have that stuff that you just can't seem to remember the name of.
Well, your website says that this is the most well-stocked store in the 5 parishes, and I just drove an hour outside of my way to get here.
Girl, I'm gonna have to call you back. Mm-hmm. Kisses. Does our website have a phone number?
Well, yeah, I suppose it did.
And it didn't occur to you before driving an hour here to pick up the phone and call us to see if we carried whatever the hell it is you're looking for?
Well, I think when a
How old are you?
I don't see what...
You have to be at least 40 years old, okay? Old enough to know that you cannot trust everything you read on an app.
It wasn't an ad. It was on a website.
Why didn't you just... Hey girl, what's up? How you doing? Why didn't you just order it online and wait for it to be delivered? I mean, really, why do you need to come here? Just to show me those ugly-ass clothes of yours?
I'd like to speak to your manager.
Waylon? Waylon, we have a little situation on the main level. Can you come down here? Ow. So, here's the deal, honey. You are not getting me fired, not even close. Oh no, trust and believe, sweetheart. I am quitting this job. In fact, I've wanted to quit for a long time, and your fucking little attitude was just the goddamn catalyst. So I ought to thank you.
You are very rude.
No, this is not rude. Would you like to see me get rude? Because I can get rude. Trust and believe, honey, this is not rude. This is uppity.